This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'll be unboxing the Huawei MediaPad M5 Pro. This runs Android. Yes, it does. It has updates, yes, and the apps, along with the Google Play Store. This is 10.8 inches. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage space. I've been trying this out a little earlier. So the orientation usually is like this. The camera's on top. You have the fingerprint solid state sensor right here. And like I said, this is running the Google Play Store Android current version for this tablet, which is version 8. It's running EMUI 8 as well. So that's cool. And it runs just like any other Android tablet. And when you turn it, you can do portrait and landscape mode. So that was portrait, this is landscape. Going further in to the box, you get some accessories like the Huawei pen, and you can charge it with this hidden USB-C port. Even these little devices have USB-C ports these days, which I like a lot. You have 2 buttons here, and 4,096 levels of pressure that it can sense with this pen, so that's cool. This has Wi-Fi and it has a SIM eject tool as well. That part goes right, let's see here. There's the camera while we're turning it around. Goes right here. So SIM eject tool, you put your SIM card in there and you're good to go. And if you look at the top, you'll see speaker holes, the grill and the antenna. So there are 4 speakers in here. You have the speakers on top and the speakers on the bottom. You can also attach a powered keyboard as well to the bottom. So you can use this out on the road or wherever you want with Wi-Fi and or cellular. Going further into the box, some additional accessories. So here is your USB Type-C headphone jack, but we use wireless now, so this is really not needed. Your charging cable, USB Type-C, and the charger. This is a US charger, so it's a quick charge. USB Type-A to USB Type-C. So that's it for inside the box. We'll show you a little bit more on this tablet here. So right here you can see the volume up, volume down button right on the corner. And I like the slight curve of the tablet too when you're holding it. And at the very bottom, you'll see the USB Type-C charging port. And again, that SIM slot right there. This again comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, quite a bit. The battery lasts for quite a few hours, though we're still testing that right now. You can see all the apps that come with. Get Google Maps, all the Google apps, Instagram, Facebook, everything that you might want. You can still download other apps from the Google Play Store. You also get the YouTube app as well. And this is running EMUI 8 with Android 8. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and follow me on Instagram, 24K.